Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm going to open the programming which we have done until now. Structures. Sorry, I have opened the wrong file. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do in this lecture is how to declare these in some different ways. How can we change these things? How can it be more simpler? Okay. So what we have done inside the main function, we have called this order and made an instances of order 1 and order 2. Okay, two orders. So instead of declaring it inside the main, we can declare it at the end of order. So guys, before I'm going to tell you that thing, just remember, most of the people will do this mistake. Most of you may not write this semicolon here. Okay, and that will give you an error. So be careful while writing structures, and remember we have to keep a semicolon at the end of structure. It is a syntax. So keep in mind, if you do not keep it, if you do not keep the semicolon, there will be errors. So just remember, most of you guys may end up in doing such silly errors. Okay, and instead of taking these instances here, we can directly give order 1 and order 2 here. Okay, so order 1 comma order 2, and remove these things, get rid of this. I'm just commenting this. Okay, so order 1 and order 2 I am directly declared here instead of here. The rest of the code is same. I haven't changed any of these. You can check from here. Okay, so I'm going to execute this. Let us see. Yeah, it worked fine, right? Yeah. Okay, so instead of declaring the instances inside a main function, we can declare it at the end of the structure. Okay, and what we have used to call a structure inside the main function, calling a structure, we have used the dot operator. The dot operator. Okay, it is nothing but the simple dot. We have used dot here in order to call the order. Okay, dot dot. So we have used the dot function. Okay, dot operator, not function. Sorry, it's an operator. Dot is the operator. So dot operator. Okay, so when I had presented you the PPT, you may see that we can call the function in two different ways. Okay, dot operator, and the other thing is using the arrow mark. Okay, so instead in place of dot you can use arrow, but not here. Okay, so in the next section I'm going to explain about pointers. So while calling the pointers, we'll use the arrow operators. So arrow operators should be explained only after teaching you the pointers. So wait for then to get know about the arrow operator. So for now use only the dot operators, because we are calling only the structure, only the direct things. Okay, we are not calling the address. If we call its address, then we'll use this. Okay, don't remember all these things. Okay, it may confuse you. Just remember that I'll explain about this arrow mark in the pointer section. So don't worry about this. Okay, so while calling we'll use dot operator, and instead of defining these here, we can directly give it here. So that's it about this video. In the next lecture I'm going to start with strings. Okay, strings is an interesting topic. You can see here already we have used strings. See, address is a string, so the collection of characters is called string. Okay, and we have given some input, like we have stored this Michael inside the string using string copy, strcpy function, and also we have declared a new library file string.h in order to get executed this string copy. So guys, you need to do experiments. Okay, you comment this and see what error you are getting, and after taking out the comment it executes properly. So you just do the experiments. Okay, just do what errors you will get and how to solve them. Okay, and yeah, in the next lecture onwards I'm going to start with the strings. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Hope you enjoyed this video. There's nothing more to tell you about structures. We have learned almost everything about structures. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.